Hey there, it's Chris. I'd like to share with you something that I found out the hard way. I had a bug, just one, eat a very expensive brush once. You know, what can you do? We sprayed the living daylights out of stuff, and I had this handmade brush signed by the artist who handmade it, given to me from a watercolorist who's a friend who has work in major museums in the world, and I cherished his signature brush that he used. And one day I left it on the table, and the next morning it was eaten. Now I still have the brush. I wish I would have had it for the video, but you'll have to imagine what was a perfect brush was then mangled and missing half of the hairs. And it was a bug, there's no doubt about it. So all of my brushes, do understand the word all, okay? Because I'm, been living in the South for a long time, and sometimes the translation gets all messed up, but all my brushes are in some kind of sealant package. Now this is our watercolor kit. And so when I put it in there, my brushes, and I love for the oil paint too, American Journey, these are the brushes that we use, and they go in here. Now a lot of these brushes are nylon and the bugs aren't eating them. That's not real, but the expensive Kolinsky Sables, they'll eat those. $200-300 brush is lunch. So I like this case. This should be its own review because it's big enough not to hurt the brush or bend it, and then it stores it. But this isn't enough to protect it. It has to go in the container. So all of these larger brushes that are a natural animal hair need to go in here. And quite often, I have cedar blocks in here too. I'm not risking anything getting in my box. Now my oil painting boxes, I have in these bigger Tupperware containers, and it holds like 6 slats about this big each. And each one is sealed and locked because I have hundreds and hundreds of brushes. It's an illness I've never recovered from, something wrong. I think it's a gene in my family. And I can say that with a photographer who belongs in the family is sitting next to me with the same illness. So, seal your brush, protect it for life, buy it once. Don't give it to a bug. I know it's not sharing, but it's yours. Let him get his own brush, or she. I don't know if there's he or she with bugs. I don't think there is, but never mind, different topic. So, this is just a Tupperware bag with the little groovy things in it. So I'm not gonna put it in the show links. You're on your own finding them. I'm sure Amazon sells them by the sizes. There are different sizes. They come in every size. I once bought a pack that had like 10 of every size, and I'm still working from it. That actually worked better than trying to buy one and seeing what size I needed, because for every category I need them. I use these same bags for my travel kits, my graphite and drawing and charcoal kits. They all go, everything I'm traveling goes in those bags, and they stay there. They aren't used in the studio. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps, and I hope it protects your bugs. If you want to learn how to use that brush, hope it protects your bugs. Hope it protects your brushes. But if you want to use that brush and make art with it, then I hope to see you at artsecretstudio.com, where we teach you how to have a voice in art.